10 Best Cities to Go in Europe. Europe is like a buffet with an extensive menu, super abundant in dishes and cuisines so exquisite and appetizing you don't even know which to consume first. And we are your seasoned chef, prepared to guide you on how to make the best food sampling decisions. One thing is sure, regardless of your definition of fun, there's something special that awaits you in this continent, brimming with a variety of attractions. 10. Reykjavik, Iceland. Pioneering our list is Reykjavik, the capital city of Iceland, which has close to half of the population of Iceland living in it. Although small in size when compared to other major cities, Reykjavik is bound to blow you away even if you spend just a day there. Despite the country's staggering number of volcanoes, ice, and waterfalls, Icelanders have successfully carved out a city center stacked up with captivating art, rich cuisine, energetic nightlife, and to top it all, locals that are quirky and creative by nature. Learn about a history that dates back to Viking times, or use the city as a base for trips to the countryside regions of Iceland, where amazing natural wonders abound. 9. Amsterdam, Netherlands. There is probably no single resident of Amsterdam who is aquaphobic, considering the volume of water found there. You could tell by the thousands of houseboats resting on the rivers, which can be seen when you stroll past the canals, or when you take a boat ride for an up-close view. Still on boat rides, they are in fact an eye-opener to architectural details that one may ordinarily not notice. A typical example is the decoration beautifying the city's famous bridges, while another is the appealing terrace of cafes beside a canal. Apart from its signature waters, Amsterdam is also easily accessible, making it super easy for tourists to explore groovy neighborhoods with the best restaurants. 8. Vienna, Austria. If you are keen on ancient historic sites, this is your sign to start packing your bags for a trip to Vienna. Not even this video fully prepares you for the magnificence and excellence that enthralls you upon arrival. Try not to drool too much when exploring the Hofburg Palace, a monumentally graceful masterpiece once occupied by Emperor Franz Joseph I and Empress Elizabeth. There is more than enough feast for the eyes with the treasury's imperial crowns, the equine ballet of the Spanish riding school, and chandelier-lit apartments, all of which serve their purpose in the palace for the 640 years the Habsburg Empire existed. Then there is also the 1,441-room Schloss Schönbrunn and the complex but stunning Schloss Belvedere, both lofty structures situated in exquisite gardens. 7. Prague, Czechia. Prague, the capital of Czechia, will have you feeling gray-haired and like a Gen Z all at once, thanks to its old yet modern vibe. The dynamic city boasts of the world's largest ancient castle complex, a 1,000-year-old fortress spanning 70 acres. You would also find cobbled blind alleys, intricate buildings, and graceful bridges. The Old Town, an area in Prague, is home to many of the city's significant attractions. Bear in mind, though, that your adventure only just got started, as there are other alluring neighborhoods which you will later come to realize host a considerable number of the city's best restaurants. 6. Dubrovnik, Croatia. Before you ask, yes, Game of Thrones was shot in many parts of this city, ultimately causing a sudden influx in the number of tourists who visit there. However, there is more to this Croatian gem than its status as an iconic movie location. Dubrovnik is renowned for its historic city wall, which is one of the grandest in the world. But how historic is it exactly? It was built between the 12th and 17th centuries. Yes, you heard right. The city wall, which is still very much intact, encircles brightly illuminated marble streets, finely decorated buildings, and glorious top attractions that will absolutely have you invested. Don't forget to watch the Adriatic Sea from a vantage point, especially at dusk. The effect of the fading light creates a striking view of the sea. 5. Berlin, Germany. The Berlin Wall, which parted the city in the Cold War until 1989, may have fallen but hasn't become irrelevant. Almost 35 years later, you are reminded of the city's history, either when passing the Brandenburg Gate and seeing the graffiti-covered sections of the old wall at East Side Gallery, or studying the exhibits at the DDR Museum. However, you would soon be jerked back into the present with amazing modern club culture, unique independent shops, and trendy neighborhoods. 4. Rome, Italy. Once a great world empire, this ancient city takes you 2,000 years back to when its emperors lived in affluence and gladiators battled with man and animal. You can't miss the ruins of the ancient market square, the Via Appia Antica, and the Colosseum, which was the largest stadium in the empire. But don't be fooled. There is a modern-day side to Rome and tons of new treasures to find. Go on a shopping spree at her independent boutiques for beautifully crafted handbags and handmade jewelry, or socialize with locals over a couple of drinks at cool bars. Still, you could wander off to Ostiense and San Lorenzo to check out the neighborhood's street art. 3. Venice, Italy. We're not done with Italy yet. Kindly stick around to see why this country pops up again on our list of 10 best cities to go in Europe. The city of Venice has an enchanting and unique ambience that quickly draws you in, especially in winter, and when it is less crowded with tourists. Discover the many works created by Italian and European art giants at top galleries such as the Gallerie dell'Accademia and the Peggy Guggenheim collection. Visitors who want to tour the city for just a day do not have to break the bank thanks to the new entry fee. 2. Paris, France. Synonymous with the elegant and iconic Eiffel Tower, this city might have you visit again and again, given that it has an almost unlimited number of spots to experience and things to do. There is a great deal of museums, galleries, legendary restaurants, alluring nightlife, and flea markets to uncover. You can hop to Paris's intriguing 20 districts or arrondissements one after another until you come full circle. Similarly, you could go on a day trip to Monet's garden at Giverny or Marie Antoinette's former house at Versailles. Before we unveil the #1 location on our list of 10 best cities to go in Europe, did you know that the Eiffel Tower was designed as a temporary exhibit for the 1889 World Fair? With that fun fact out of the way, we hereby present to you our topmost choice of best cities to go in Europe. 1. London, UK. Like Paris, there is an inexhaustible list of fascinating sights to behold in the capital city of the United Kingdom. Perhaps the major difference between both cities is the unpredictable nature of London. This ever-changing city is saturated with lush parks, world-class theaters, restaurants, sports venues, and shops. Similarly, there are historic districts containing extraordinary royal palaces, towering cathedrals, remarkable museums and galleries. Peer deeper into London by exploring its varied neighborhoods, including the picturesque streets of Notting Hill, the urban area of Shoreditch if you still have time. There you have it. Our recommended list of 10 best cities to go in Europe. Europe has multiple land borders, making it super easy to access, be it by road, rail, or bicycle. What is more, the resurgence of night trains is making it even easier to move around, as opposed to the stress of traveling by air. Moreover, if you are fortunate to have a passport from a European Union country, you can travel freely across Europe with few restrictions. Ultimately, how much of Europe you can see in one trip is rested on how much time you have and how packed you want your schedule of activities to be. Before we go, please like and share this video if you found it insightful. Until we meet again, safe travels! Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification.